I'm gonna cook okra soup. It's called okra soup. Okra. This is my cut up okra. I have the spinach vegetable to add to it. I have crayfish that I will blend. I have the ozuza. I will blend it with okpei and the crayfish and the pepper. I have the pepper. This time I really want to use the Thai chili peppers. I want it hot. I have the stockfish. I have mixed meats, my beef and my shaki. I have onions. I have the smoked fish. You can add any kind of meat you want to. It doesn't have to be beef. If you like chicken, whatever you like, as per your protein and your meat, you can add to that. And I'm gonna use the palm oil. I'm gonna use the African palm oil, because you really, remember you are in African mom's kitchen. Now just added okra. Okra had just gone in. I'm gonna put this my light. If you have shrimp, you can have shrimp. I had a little shrimp, so I'm gonna add shrimp to it to give it a different look. So it's coming out the way I want it. So I'm gonna add the vegetable. This is washed out squeezed spinach. So I'm gonna put some spinach to the okra. I think my okra soup is ready. All the way from African Mama's Kitchen.